What up, TikTok fam? I'm beat. I've been down here trying to get this all wired up. Got my Steam Big Jeff hat today. Sent me my OFC 8 gauge for my speakers. If I can find it, right there, you know, full tilt OFC, it'll work. But let me give you a why I really started this. I've been trying to hammer stuff out, make it to this show, and I think it's in 2 weeks. But I I'm still short some stuff. I got to get RCA jacks. I got to get a head unit. There's a few things I still got to square away, but I got my wire ran to the back. Check this out. Oh yeah, I ain't got the cover on. Hold on, let me put the cover on. Okay. Got the alt on. Got the wire ran. Those new blocks that Steve Mead makes are badass. I love them. So I gotta still do a lot, like to the wiring, how they have it bare and stuff. Put my wire limb, because I want to make the under the hood look pretty too. So that's done and ran underneath up through my hole I made. I showed you in my other videos. Look how dirty the wire is for me. I hate that. And I got to get heat shrink, so don't hate on me. I don't know if I'm going to keep that DSP or get a Bluetooth one. And then I have my, this will come over to 2 watt. 2 of them feeding the battery. And then it'll leave me with 2 to bring up to this bad boy. And I can't hold it and do the camera at the same time. Hold on. Alright, so this will go, I don't know, this will go right here. And I'll have two positives left to come off of here. Boom, boom. And then I'll fuse everything. And I'll run one of them, or I'll have enough to run everything, like to my mids and highs amp, and up to my big amps. But I might get the one like I have under the hood, but this size. But it's pricey, or just use what I have. I should have got, I'm gonna see if I can get a hold of Steve and get that back plate painted, or do it myself maybe. But that's where I'm at. So so that's where I'm at on all that stuff. But I had to put my hater kit on. I don't have the whole hater kit. I guess, I don't know. I should have had one. I spent a good bit, but anyways, I ain't worried about that kind of stuff. I'm here to let y'all know that I'm doing it. I don't know what I was supposed to say there, but I got fubrilated. But yeah, man, it's coming along pretty good. I got the amp, the 2 watt, 2 runs of 2 watt ran to the back. I have it fused under the hood, fused in the back. And you'll see, I know I'm going to catch hell about the not having heat shrink. I can't find no 2 watt heat shrink. So, but all my ends are not ferrules. I have, hold on, I'll show you. I don't know if it's a follow me yet. These are the other ones I have. The ones I have on now are more heavy duty than these ones. But these little buggers here. So I can remove, man, I'm filthy. So I can remove it all and put my heat shrink on. And I have enough room to come up to the stud and I'll heat shrink it. But I don't want to just buy it. I want, what is it, for 3-to-1 or 4-to-1 or something, heat shrink with, I'd like to find it with glue in it. Because I found some years ago, it was a 1/2 inch heat shrink and I used it on coax, and it had adhesive in it. Man, that stuff was awesome. But I can't find it nowhere. So anyway, someone point me where I could get some 2-aught heat shrink, and don't say all this because I tried all everywhere and none of them have it. None of them. I don't. Big Jeff, I don't think carries it. But check out Big Jeff, man. Use Jake Thorpe promo code and get your discount. Um, I'll keep posting videos as much as I can, step by step of what I'm doing. I'm by far no professional. I've done a lot of car audio, yes, but in this, um, I've never done it this big. Put it that way, and but I am now. This is just to get me in. You know, once I'm done with this system, Rocket, probably this year or whatever comes along, I'm gonna upgrade to bigger and badder. But that costs a lot of money to do that, you know. And I got a vacation coming up now, so that's why I'm kind of like not really worried about getting this done yet, because family first. It's always. So try to hit that follow if you come across me. And like I said, I'll probably post this up on my YouTube. So check out my YouTube, JT's Garage. I've been asking my followers if they'd go over and give me a sub. But it's all good. They ain't obligated to nothing. So y'all have a good night, man. And I don't know. I might have another video after this one. I'm gonna hammer some more stuff out tonight. See what's going on with a head unit. I have a Kenwood. I might just put it in. So, hey, thanks for following, man. I appreciate all you guys, all the good comments and the bad ones. Have a good night. Stay safe. Later.